If you're trying to download the Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft's website and the download just won't start, don't worry. This problem is actually pretty common. Sometimes the button doesn't respond, sometimes the download just gets stuck, or nothing happens at all. In this video, I'll show you a few simple things you can try to fix it. First, just click the download button a couple of times. I know it sounds silly, but sometimes the page does not register the first click. A few extra clicks can actually trigger the download. This simple trick has helped many. If it still doesn't start, just wait for an hour or two, because it's likely that Microsoft's servers are facing a downtime. Such issues are usually temporary and resolved within an hour or two. If you are using a VPN, turn it off. Microsoft sometimes blocks or limits downloads from certain regions or shared IP addresses. So just pause or disconnect your VPN and refresh the page. If the problem continues, try another browser. If you're using Chrome, switch to Firefox or Edge. Sometimes the browser cache or extensions interfere with the download. You could also try the private or incognito browsing mode on these browsers. Some antivirus software blocks large downloads by mistake. If you have something like Avast, Bitdefender, or Kaspersky running, disable it temporarily and try again. Just remember to turn it back on after the download is done. Even while it's disabled, Windows Security, the built-in antivirus, kicks in and protects your PC. If nothing works yet, try switching to a different network. For example, use your mobile hotspot or another Wi-Fi connection. Some networks block large downloads or have caching issues. And if the ISO still refuses to download, just use the Media Creation tool. This is Microsoft's official tool to download and create Windows installation files. It's simple. Just search Windows Media Creation tool, download it from the Microsoft website, run it, and choose the option to download the ISO. This works almost every time. And once the download is complete, you can use the ISO file to create a new bootable USB or perform an in-place upgrade. That's all for now. If you learned something new, hit the like button, share this video with others, and subscribe to Tech in Moments so you never miss a quick, smart tech tip again.